Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing another day in my life, but I thought it'd be fun to show you guys basically all the behind the scenes of what it's like being a college YouTuber, being a YouTuber in general, but also college on top of that. This video is sponsored by Filmora by Wondershare, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I think this is like the perfect video for this sponsorship. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what it's like to kind of manage both of them, and also maybe like throughout this video I'll give you guys some like little tips and tricks for like being a YouTuber, starting your channel. I always get questions about it, especially recently. Like in the past week, I've been getting a ton of questions asking me how I edit my videos, what I do, what I used to film, how do I feel, like how did I start, how blah 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 blah, all of that stuff. So I thought it'd be fun to just kind of like show you guys what I do and then maybe like show you tips along the way. It's no secret that I film a lot of college day in my life videos, but I feel like I never really show a lot of the YouTube stuff, and it's never like intentional, like I'm choosing not to show it. It just doesn't ever happen, and I thought that it would be fun to bring you guys with me and show you guys what I do all day. If you guys didn't know, basically how I view this, I'm a full-time student and I have a full-time job, and I'm not complaining at all. I have the coolest job in the world and I love it with every part of me. I had to learn how to time manage really well, so I thought that I would show you guys how I time manage really well and show you guys that you can do it too, you know? I always get a lot of DMs from people being like, I want to do it, I don't think I have the time for it. When it comes to YouTube and school, they will always overlap for me. I will always be doing both every single day of my freaking life. I try to basically have a more school dense day on a day where I have less YouTube stuff, and a more YouTube dense day on a day where I have less school stuff. So today I definitely do school stuff. I will pretty much every single day I have school stuff, and then I sprinkle YouTube throughout it. My to-do list, it's not color coded by things. I just picked up a pen and it just happened like that. But I only have 2 things that I need to do for school today, and then the rest is YouTube. But I do have a lot of YouTube stuff that I need to do today. Also view what I do as 2 separate jobs. This really helps me like compartmentalize things in my head. I view like filming YouTube videos, Instagram creatives, editing as one, and sponsorships as another. Those in my head are 2 completely different jobs. So the fun thing about today is that I'm filming a video, I'll be editing videos, I'm also doing a sponsorship right now, and then I also have school, so I'm doing everything. So today you'll just get like a whole roundup of everything that I do. Okay, so what I've done today is I woke up, I went to work out. I felt really like lightheaded during my workout, so I kind of took it pretty easy. Oh, on the way home from my workout, I was texting, well, not like while I was driving, but you know what I mean, my manager, and then we are going over a potential sponsorship that I'm really excited about. So we are just kind of like getting everything that works for that. I would love to do a video where I explain to you every single step that a sponsorship goes through, because I feel like no one talks about it, and there are so many little details and things that people don't think about. Basically, my manager deals with the sponsorships. He presents it to me. He said, here's all the deliverables, here's what they want, here's how much they'll pay you, here's the timeline, here's what it's for, yes or no. Or like, do you want me to negotiate something different? So I said yes to this one because I'm really excited about it. Okay, so now it's time to officially start working. I want to edit a video right now. I feel like I normally try to edit my videos towards the weekend. Weekend is like more YouTube, like weekdays or more schoolwork. I don't have that much to do today, and it's a small video that I want to edit. It's not anything long that will take a ton of time. Like I said in the beginning, this video is sponsored by Filmora Pro by Wondershare, and so I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about them. I normally edit on my bed, but I was feeling a little chilly, so now I'm here at my desk. Hey, I am so excited to be doing this sponsorship for a couple of reasons. One, I feel like this is something that I wish that I had when I was starting out on YouTube, and 2, I'm always trying to look for new things, whether it's a new camera, a new way to edit my thumbnails, a new editing software for my videos to improve my quality for you guys. Filmora is a video editing system. I have Filmora Pro. As you guys know, like I'm filming right now, I make a lot of vlog videos. Obviously, I want to, you know, put like little bubbles and little things and just like improve my videos and make it more interesting for you guys. It's been really fun playing around with this and just like getting to know it better and seeing all the cool things you can do with it. I think what's really cool about Wondershare and like this editing software is that you can be really creative with it. If you're like seeing me look right here, I just like I'm editing a video and I'm staring at it, my laptop. I'm gonna show you guys me editing because like I actually have to do it, but I want to show you guys that you can do a free download. There's a free trial on Windows, on Mac. This is what it looks like before you start editing a video. Or I know it can be super intimidating starting making videos and not understanding how to edit, how to add effects, but I do feel like Wondershare has really like made it easier. They've simplified it as much as they possibly can to just make it easy to understand, easy to do. The more you do it, the more you get the hang of things. They have a ton of really cool effects that I recently found that I think think they're really fun to put in videos. They also have an integrated music, video, and licensing website, which is super easy and super convenient. Once you start getting the hang of being a content creator, you understand that stuff's actually really hard to get to and to find. So the fact that they have that is really nice. I definitely wish I had that when I started. I feel like Wondershare is really beginner friendly. If you've never edited a video before, it's a great place to start. But also, if you're a professional at editing videos, it's also a place where you can still be creative, find new ways to edit, find new effects, and just things that will enhance your creativity and just keep you going. Also, a quick side note, I'll put some information here on the screen, but they're having a giveaway where you can win $3,500 worth of vlogging gear equipment, which would be very nice starting out with that. So I definitely recommend checking that out. I will have their website, everything about them linked down below. I cannot stress this enough that if you guys want to start a YouTube channel or get into video editing or anything, if you want to just express your creativity, express yourself, Wondershare is a really great place to start. I think that everyone has the capability of being creative, and I think this is a really great way of bringing your creativity out. I know for me, I started my YouTube channel when I was 13 years old, and it was kind of like a form of like self-expression a little bit. I feel like that's a weird way of saying it, but it also is like true. I had a lot of interests that no one really around me shared. Making videos and finding a community that also shared those same interests with me was a way of me expressing myself, and it turned into what it is, and this is like the best thing that has ever happened to me. Starting a YouTube channel was the best decision that I've ever made. If you guys are like, I want to, I'm not sure about it, I say go for it. You don't need to know how to edit a video. You don't need the best camera. I filmed my first video on my iPhone 5. I didn't know how to edit when I started off. I really wish I would have had this when I was starting YouTube, because it's really easy to understand, really easy to use. You can have a free trial, so you don't need to spend a ton of money on it. I keep thinking back to when I was 13 starting my channel. Posting videos and making these videos was just a way of me being myself and being accepted and feeling like free in a way to like the things that I liked that no one really around me did. It's the best thing ever. Like, I can be like authentically myself on YouTube. Yeah, I just feel like making videos is just a way that I can be really creative and share that part of myself with people. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start editing because I really do need to. So I actually didn't have as much footage as I thought to edit, so it didn't really take me that long. I was getting like in my feels recording this. I'll show you guys a little bit. How cute! Again, if you guys want to check out this editing software, I'll have like their website linked down below. You guys can do a free trial of it. Everything that you guys need will be down below for it. Time for homework. That took me about like an 1/8 of the time that it normally does. It was like very convenient. Kind of feel like making lunch, and then I have an assignment that I could do. I kind of don't want to do it right now. It's an assignment that annoys me every day, and I don't feel like being annoyed right now. You know the type if you know. Okay, I decided that I'm making chicken and Brussels sprouts. My favorite meal. So I'm gonna get the stuff. It like low-key got cut into two. So here's how I season it. Garlic salt. And then pepper, which I have to do with 2 hands. Pepper her up. I also seasoned the other side of it. Never tried this guy on chicken, but I've tried it on fish and other stuff, and it tastes really good. Part of me wants to try it on the Brussels sprouts too. Frozen Brussels sprouts. I literally just put them in a little bit of oil to make them crispy. Roll it around. And then I'm honestly just gonna season it. Same stuff that I season the chicken with. Ryan Little. I have about like a little bit less than 20 minutes until my chicken is ready. I think I'm just gonna respond to your guys' comments on my video that I uploaded last night. My favorite part of my day. Literally, this isn't even like working to me. This is just like the whole reason I do everything that I do is for this. Ryan Little. I responded to a lot of them last night, so I didn't have too many to respond to today. I try my hardest to respond to every comment on my like newest video. I try, it doesn't always work out because sometimes I get really busy. I read every comment. There's never been a comment, I don't think, that I've not read. Look at how absolutely adorable this is. This is the cutest thing ever. Okay, my mouth is washed. Shut up. Ooh, that looks so good. It is beautiful outside right now. It's very bright, like it's very overcast, so the clouds make it like bright, but the weather, I'm not sweating yet, so I'm gonna eat out here and chill, and then we'll get back to working. But sometimes it's nice to just have moments where you just like relax, eat your food, go on your, you know what I mean? Like you can't always be go, 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 go all day. You need times, moments, days where you just relax. She looks beautiful. Yeah, 5 seconds later, I take it back. It's way too hot. Also, I think the seasoning is better on fish than it is on chicken. That's my formal review. Back at my lovely desk. I think the next thing that I'm going to do is some more schoolwork. I have a few more assignments that I need to catch up on. So I will actually just do those and update you guys. So I had this idea. I need to remake my bed because I was sitting in it and I messed it up. But I had this idea for the sponsored post for obviously this video. The photo is like me editing my bed, and then the mirror self, like kind of a, this is not explained. I'm not explaining this well at all. This is not turning out great. I'm hoping there was at least one good photo in there. Right now I'm going to edit it. I'm currently preheating the oven, gonna make breadsticks. A bit, right? Yeah. This is what I came up with. I don't think it's that bad. It's not exactly my vision. I really like on here how you can see the Trevi fountain and then you can see us throwing like our coin in. I think that's really cute. And then you can see like the timeline and everything. So it's a little bit later in the day. I took my makeup off, kind of got a little more casual because I was not feeling it. I bought these contact mats or whatever because every single time, can you see that? So I'm gonna like cut them, put them in these drawers. I'm really excited for it. I've been wanting to do this for so long, so I finally like went to the store and got them. My project for the day. I'm so happy with how that turned out. I think that I'm going to end the video here. I have nothing going on for the rest of the day. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you so much to Filmora by Wondershare for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, if you guys want to start making videos or really doing anything, my best piece of advice would be to stop planning and start doing. It will never be ready. It will never be perfect. Just go and do it. I'll have links down below if you guys want to check out Wondershare or Filmora. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!